What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to withdraw money from your Revolut stocks, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So without any further ado, let's jump straight to the topic. So Revolut allows you to invest in the stocks, but the specifics we will not cover now because I already done a video on how to invest in the stocks. To withdraw money from your Revolut stock, you would generally need to sell your stock holding and then transfer the funds back to your Revolut account. And here's how. Of course, you need to open Revolut app on your device and then navigate to the Wealth or Invest section. It will probably be Invest. Find the stocks you want to sell and select it. I'm so sorry, guys. So look for an option like sell or liquidate and follow the on-screen instructions for selling those stocks. Once you've sold your stocks, the funds should appear on your investment account and the account to your Revolut main account. From your Revolut main account, you can use various withdrawal options such as transferring to a linked bank account, and keep in mind that you should track your stock investments really often, and if you want to sell them, make sure to double check it, should you or should you not sell it. And basically it's quite an easy process. Just go to Invest section, find the stocks you want to sell. It will probably say like sell or liquidate, and press it, and after it once you sold your stocks, the funds should appear in your investment account. Then transfer the funds from your investment account to your Revolut main one, and from your Revolut main account you can use various withdrawal options such as transferring to a linked bank account. So guys, that would be it on how to withdraw money from stocks on Revolut. So thank you so much for watching and see you in our future tutorials. Goodbye.